Hey everybody, it's October the 16th, 2021, and I heard there was going to be a car show at Rochester, Kentucky at the Rochester Park. It's right beside Rochester Dam, the Rochester Dam is one of my favorite places to go. They've been working on the dam, and I wanted to check it out anyway. And actually, I think they're supposed to raise the Green River like 4 feet in the dam. But anyway, I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I thought I'd take you along with me. So let's go check out the car show.
Well, that's it. I couldn't record them all, but I got some of my favorites there. A lot of awesome cars. It's the first time I've been to Rochester, Kentucky car show, and it was a blast. And plus, I got to see the dam. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. God bless you, and I'll see you on my next adventure. River Jumper out.